Hello again to all our followers and fans. I'm Daneel Ballaram, Director of Manufacturing and Process Energy and Mining here at Baynes. And I'm so glad you've joined us for this very special birthday edition of In the Loop, our monthly digital newsletter. If you're new to our community, welcome. And to those of you who've been with us for a while, we know you've been waiting in anticipation for this milestone edition. The 31st of March 2025 marked our 10th birthday anniversary. And yes, we've celebrated with cake. Because really, what's a milestone without a slice of something sweet to mark the moment? 10 years ago, we opened our doors with a clear mission to help our customers design and make a better world. What began as a small but passionate team of 11 has now grown into a dynamic group of 26. From humble beginnings to the challenge of global pandemic to coming out stronger than ever, we've built meaningful relationships with our customers, suppliers, partners, and our incredible team. As we reflect on this journey, it's been a deeply nostalgic time. We've been flipping through old photos, sharing stories, and remembering where it all began. Most importantly, I've been celebrating the customers who've placed their trust in us from day one. Clients like Kappa Engineering, WEC Projects, Janet Sneyman, just to name a few, have been with us since the very beginning. It's been a privilege to grow alongside them over the years. Our 10-year theme, Evolve, Elevate, and Excel, perfectly captures the essence of our journey. We've taken every experience, learned from it, and used it to level up our services, our expertise, and our impact. And what better way to honor this milestone by sharing words from someone who's been part of our story since day one. A major part of our success has come from strong partnerships we've built within this industry, one of which is the long-standing partnership we have with the South African Institute of Mechanical Engineers. Our partnership aims to advance sustainability as well as uplift the mechanical engineering community in South Africa through access to cutting-edge technology and CPD-accredited training. Be sure to keep an eye out for our collaborative events and activities and read more on the story link below. Staying with the theme of collaboration, one of our standout clients, DM², truly lives the values of Evolve, Elevate, and Excel. Having opened their doors and not having succumbed to the challenges that the global pandemic and struggling economies bring, DM² remains dedicated to delivering CNC engineering excellence. By collaborating with Baynes and utilizing Autodesk Fusion, the company has successfully navigated the industry challenges, achieving remarkable growth and efficiency over the years. The future looks exceptionally bright for this dynamic engineering firm, and it continues to innovate and expand its capabilities in increasingly competitive industry. But don't just take my word for it, head over to their inspirational story about their success. Looking ahead, we've got a packed webinar and training calendar lined up, full of opportunities to evolve, elevate, and excel. On the 10th of April, we're hosting a webinar on closing the skills gap and empowering your team with Pinnacle e-learning. Our webinar, Unlocking Manufacturing E-Learning Potential with Pinnacle, will be at 3 p.m. and will highlight how you can evolve continuous learning in your team, elevate collaboration, and how your team can excel in productivity. So don't miss out. And of course, our training centers remain open and ready to support your professional development, from CPD accredited courses to customized consulting and upskilling programs. We're here to help you and your team stay ahead. Head over to our website to explore our full training calendar or reach out directly to learn more about our bespoke offerings. Last month, I gave you a sneak peek into something new, and I'm happy to share that it's now ready for you to delve into. The Introduction to AI Capabilities ebook is officially available for download. It's a guide highlights how Autodesk AI tools are empowering professionals across industries to be more productive, more creative, and more strategic. From Autodesk Assistant and Generative Design to smart automations in AutoCAD, Revit, and Fusion, this ebook shows how AI is not just a buzzword, but a tool to help you innovate with ease. Go check it out. You'll be amazed by what is possible. That brings us to the end of our birthday edition. Thank you for being part of our journey. Your support, collaboration, and trust have been a cornerstone of our growth. Here's to the next 10 years of innovation, impact, and shared success. Until next time, let's continue to evolve, elevate, and excel together.